The all-new 2026 BMW F800R is here, and it's creating waves in the motorcycle world with its bold styling, razor-sharp performance, and unmatched road presence. BMW has taken the naked sport bike formula to a whole new level, giving riders a machine that blends everyday practicality with adrenaline-pumping excitement. This is not just another upgrade, it's a complete reimagination of the F800R, and it's ready to dominate both city streets and open highways like never before. The design of the 2026 BMW F800R immediately captures attention. From the aggressive front end, with its LED headlights set up to the sculpted fuel tank and sleek tail section, every line of this bike screams performance. It carries BMW's premium DNA, but with an even sharper edge, making it stand out as one of the most attractive naked bikes in its class. The bike is lean, muscular, and futuristic, with ergonomics designed for both sporty riders and those who want comfort on longer journeys. BMW has struck a fine balance between aggression and elegance, ensuring the F800R looks just as good parked outside a cafe as it does blasting down a twisty mountain road. At the heart of the new F800R is a powerful parallel twin engine tuned for maximum performance and reliability. BMW has engineered this motor to deliver thrilling acceleration, smooth mid-range power, and an impressive top-end rush that keeps you smiling every time you twist the throttle. Riders will appreciate how responsive and lively the engine feels, making city riding fun and highway cruising effortless. The sound of the exhaust has also been tuned to perfection, giving off a deep and sporty growl that enhances the overall riding experience. Handling is another area where the 2026 F800R excels. BMW has equipped it with a lightweight chassis that provides excellent stability while remaining agile and flickable through corners. The suspension setup is refined to offer a perfect blend of comfort and sportiness, absorbing bumps on rough roads while staying planted at high speeds. Riders will immediately notice how confidence-inspiring the bike feels, whether leaning into tight corners or navigating busy urban traffic. The wide handlebars and upright riding position add to the control, making it ideal for riders of all skill levels. Technology has always been one of BMW's strongest points, and the 2026 F800R is no exception. The bike comes loaded with advanced rider aids such as multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and even optional electronic suspension adjustment for those who want the ultimate setup. The full-color TFT display provides clear, customizable information and seamlessly integrates with smartphones for navigation and entertainment. BMW's focus on rider safety and convenience shines through, ensuring that this bike isn't just powerful, but also smart and easy to live with. Comfort has also been prioritized in the new design. Unlike many naked sport bikes that sacrifice ergonomics for style, the F800R is built to handle long rides without tiring the rider. The seat is well cushioned and positioned at just the right height, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Passenger comfort has also been considered, meaning you can share the excitement of this bike with someone else without compromise. When it comes to braking, BMW has fitted the F800R with high-performance disc brakes paired with advanced ABS technology. Stopping power is precise, predictable, and confidence-inspiring, even under hard braking situations. Combined with its lightweight design, this braking setup makes the bike feel extremely safe and controllable in all conditions. For those who love customizing their rides, BMW is offering a wide range of accessories and performance upgrades for the 2026 F800R. From luggage systems and windshields for touring enthusiasts to sporty exhausts and performance parts for thrill seekers, the options are endless. Riders can truly make the F800R their own, tailoring it to fit their unique riding style and personality. In a market filled with naked bikes, the 2026 BMW F800R stands tall as a machine that doesn't just meet expectations and exceeds them. It combines BMW's world-class engineering, cutting-edge technology, and premium design into one stunning package that appeals to both seasoned riders and newcomers looking for something truly special. Whether you want a daily commuter, a weekend canyon carver, or a machine to take on long road trips, this bike delivers on all fronts. The 2026 BMW F800R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It represents freedom, performance, and passion for riding. With its striking looks, thrilling performance, and smart technology, it redefines what a naked superbike can be. This is the bike that makes every ride unforgettable and every moment. Behind the handlebars and adventure, the future of naked sport bikes has arrived, and it's called the BMW F800R.